Hello everyone, welcome back to our English grammar series. Today we're diving into the world of conditionals, specifically the zero and first conditionals. Let's explore their structures, usage and expressions. First up, let's tackle the zero conditional. This type of conditional is used to talk about general truths, facts, or scientific laws. It describes what happens in real-life situations. Now let's move on to the first conditional. This type of conditional is used to talk about real and possible situations in the future. It suggests that the condition has a realistic chance of happening. So, to summarize, the zero conditional is used for general truths or scientific facts. Its structure involves if plus present simple, present simple. It describes what happens in real-life situations. The first conditional is used for real and possible situations in the future. Its structure involves if plus present simple will plus base form. It expresses potential outcomes based on conditions. And there you have it. Understanding zero and first conditionals can greatly enhance your English skills. Practice using them, and you'll become a grammar pro in no time.
Today, we're taking it a step further with a sequel that will cement your understanding. Get ready to master conditional sentences like a pro. Let's kick things off with the zero conditional. This structure is used for facts and truths. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. Simple, right? Now onto the first conditional, used for possible or likely future events. Consider this. If it rains tomorrow, I will bring an umbrella. The second conditional, where we explore hypothetical or unreal situations in the present or future. For instance, if I were rich, I would travel the world. Finally, the third conditional, reserved for unreal situations in the past. Think of it as reflecting on what could have been. Like this, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. And there you have it, folks. Zero, first, second, and third conditionals laid out before you. Practice using these structures and soon you'll wield them effortlessly in your language journey. Stay tuned for more linguistic adventures, and until next time, keep learning and exploring. Signing off from your language guide.